welcome to Grand Turk. Thomas, Virgin Islands. St. Thomas is about 32 square miles and has about 41,000 people on the island. It was purchased from the Dutch in the 60s, I believe, for only $25 million. I know part of it is thinking, oh, well, back then $25 million is a lot of money, but it's really not to purchase like a bunch of islands when the government thought that Germany was going to like buy it or use it as a base, you know, to have missiles come over to the mainland. So the United States decided to buy it instead, and it's been a territory. Just like Puerto Rico, it is not a state. Since it's a territory, they have local government, but they can't vote in national elections. Like they can't vote for president, but they can vote for their own thing, their personal stuff. Now they do pay taxes. Of course, they have to pay taxes to the federal government. Other than tourism, St. Thomas, they have no other economy. Tourism is their economy, but it's another island. St. Croix, it's another U.S. territory. St. Croix, it has a distillery or a liquor place that makes Captain Morgan rum and Cruzan rum. When I went to Sorrento, and that limoncello was like 30-something proof alcohol.
35% alcoholic. 35% alcoholic.
Yeah, so let's look. This is the Cruzan rum that they make on the other island. This one is 21% alcohol, which it makes you think, okay, it's not bad, but let's look at this one right here. This is Cruzan. It says hurricane proof rum, 137 proof. Ouch. And it's only 13 bucks. While on the tour guide was telling us that people that live up in the mountain rely on the rainwater because they're not on the water main pipeline. Because it was raining earlier, and just as fast as it came, it went. So people up there in the mountain rely on that rainwater, and they have coffers and things that they collect the water in. Otherwise, it's like $500 to get a water delivery to their house. trips like these are fun. Need some action. You know, if you work a high-stress job where you just want to come and lay out for a week, okay. But, you know, there are some people that need action, something to do. 2 or 3 days of laying on the beach is fine. I need a dune buggy or something. In Miami.